How to fix the Tinder application is not working on the Android devices. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to access the Tinder application but it seems to not be working, it could be because an update is going on the app. If that is the case, you'll have to wait for some time until the update is completed. Only then you can access the app again. However, if it's not the case, you can long press your Tinder app and go to the option App Info. Tapping on it should take you to another page. First of all, tap on permissions and make sure to give it all the permissions required of contacts as well. Next, go to storage and cache and clear the cache. If you have clear storage option, tap on it, but keep in mind that this will delete all the files that you have currently. Next up, let's move on to next solution. For this, click on Play Store on your device. Once you tap on Play Store, you will have to now search for Tinder. If there is an update available, tap on the update button. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is to have a stable internet connection. Only then the app should be working properly. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.